Hello everyone, this is Jeff and today I want to show you how to assemble the 22-inch Blackstone Adventure Ready propane griddle with a stand and adapter house, model number 2341 VO2. If you need a part, the model number will help you to find it easy. I really welcome this week's channel member, Jeff Smith, and thank you to all for your comments and support. As you see, the size of the grill after assembly will be 43.7 inches long, 23.8 inches wide, and 40 inches height. And if you order it online, you will receive a box that measures 28 inches long, 21 inches wide, and 18.5 inches height, and its weight is approximately 74 pounds or 34 kilograms, which is a bit hardly heavy to carry along. To assemble this grill, you just need a Phillips screwdriver size 2 or medium. To start, find a clean area like carpet or cardboard and take the parts out of the box and arrange them around the assembly area so that you can easily read the numbers on them. Also be careful not to damage the paint of the parts when removing them or during assembly. After removing the parts from the box, check all of them to make sure there are no any dent or paint damage. And if so, immediately call the customer service to send you the damaged part free of charge. Remember, each store has a limited time to return the product. Make sure that they send to you the required part before the return due date. Otherwise, return the product one day before the return due date. This product has a 1-year warranty for replacement parts, and to activate it, you need the purchase receipt and serial number on the box or griddle body. Go to the website blackstoneproducts.com/register and be sure to activate its warranty. Okay, let's start. Open the folding legs to the end and make sure they are locked. If you want to fold the legs again, first pull out the retainer and fold the legs. Adjust the legs to desired heights and turn the thumb screws to tighten. To achieve desired heights, the number of divisions on the legs will help you. Open the small box and remove the side shelf. To install the side shelf, first loosen the 4 screws on the body and install the side shelf. As you can see, the screws may be a little tight. If you cannot loosen, hit them gently with a hammer and they will loosen with a little more pressure. Also, if the screw moves in place, hold the back nut with your hand and loosen the screws. To install the griddle body, first screw the 4 griddle feet into the bottom of the griddle. Place the griddle on the stand. The 4 feet on the bottom of the griddle will line up with the corresponding holes for secure placement. Place the griddle top onto the griddle body by aligning the 4 pins to the holes of the body. For easier installation, first place the 2 front pins into the front locking holes and push the griddle top back, then set the 2 rear pins into the rear holes. To install the handle, first open the 2 pre-installed screws and install the handle on the hood regardless of its direction. If the body has a dent, you can first smooth it with a few hand strokes. Otherwise, return the product. Hang the grease cap into the slot on the back of the griddle body. As you watch, I want to share something with you. Unfortunately, as you see, most of the people who watch my videos are non-subscribers and only a very small percentage have subscribed. Each video sometimes take up to 2 or 3 weeks to prepare, and to continue I really need your support. So please support me in this way by subscribing and liking video, or the best, become a member of the channel. Thank you to all. To connect 1-pound LPG cylinder, first screw the LPG cylinder into the gas regulator clockwise. The regulator may make a humming or whistling noise during the operation. This will not affect safety to use the grill. Then make sure the control knobs are off, and then insert the regulator and LPG cylinder into the gas line of the griddle. Turn the collar of the regulator clockwise to secure it to the gas line. To connect the 20-pound LPG cylinder, first remove the 1-pound regulator and then insert the 20-pound LPG cylinder regulator into the gas line. Turn the collar of the regulator clockwise to tighten it on the gas line. I recommended that you must read pages 9 to 12 of the manual for safety on how to install the gas cylinder and also the gas leak test. Before the first use, be sure to wash the griddle pan and then seasoning it according to the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you assemble the griddle easy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Until next video.